Hello everyone, this is Howard from San Diego Repairs. A customer hired us to demo their existing second story balcony, put down new sheeting, fix all the dry rot termite damage joists, and we're also going to be installing the waterproofing here. You can see why it's just completely rotted out. Completely dry rot termite damaged. The whole deck is really soft. Down here, look at this. This is going down like 3/4 of an inch. We have all the metal ripped off. And see our next video on resheeting the second story balcony. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for all your second story balcony repairs, any kind of dry rot termite damage you may have. Have a great day, and we look forward to your phone call. Bye for now.